I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Ay, ay,
Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Ay.
Día es de fiesta, de alcohol María en la dieta. Tengo estamina como atleta. Esto es un party de John Z. Todo el mundo anda ruleta. Echa las maletas porque mañana cojo un avión pa' la puñeta. Dame de esos rositas en la receta. Una moñita de esa capeta. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. That ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Daily, daily, get to do the shit I love up on a daily. Daily, daily, everybody go and live your daydreams up. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation.
De vacaciones,
You don't like it like that, you should go and change it.
de vacaciones cogemos Airbnb, villas y mansiones. Mujeres bien borrachas cantando todas las canciones. Ponche de alcohol, bien llenos los jarrones. Todos los días.
Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day, hey.
GM everybody, and welcome to this, another episode of your daily dose of Web Pre-Morning Motivation. We're coming live on X, we're coming live on YouTube, we're coming live on Facebook and LinkedIn. So, no matter how you are receiving this message, welcome to the space that aims to entertain you, motivate you, and educate you during this bull cycle. As you come in, please make sure that you smash the like button, the retweet button, the reply button, all the buttons, because that's how you tell the algorithm that this is the content that you want to push up some people's timeline, because this is the content that brings the vibes, the mojo, and all the energy that you need to get your day started. So, without further ado, let's get this show started. Welcome back. This is your host, Degen. We have a very special show prepared for all of you today, because we're going to be talking about all you need to know about the rumors running around saying that Elon Musk will show up this week at the Bitcoin conference, and we will be right there to tell you all that will be happening live from the conference. And we will also cover today all the latest news happening around the world of cryptocurrencies. The news cycle is going crazy, and I'm pretty sure you can tell that my voice, I lost my voice last Thursday, has not come back. So this is my promise to you. I will do my best to rush through the news cycle, get to the point, and give you some very needed updates, because you guys want to know everything about our decentralized autonomous technology, the Degen wallet. So everything that is coming up in the next few weeks, we're gonna cover that, all of that here today. Now, if you're keen on joining our community and getting access to these cutting-edge technologies, simply follow the OpenSea link that is in my bio or in the description on YouTube if you're on YouTube, because from the outset, our vision has been to empower our community with unmatched financial freedom. We began by minting out our NFT collection back in May 2023. This collection is the only ticket that grants you access to beta test all of our technologies before anybody else. It's also the only way that you can earn freshly minted Mula tokens as a reward for helping us battle test our technology. And we're also about to release to the public our Degen wallet. And let me tell you guys, this is gonna happen in a few weeks now that our Mula token is live and trading. And this is more than just a wallet. This is the pinnacle of a Web3 bank, revolutionizing decentralized finance, Web3, and NFT management, because our mission is to bring decentralized autonomous technologies to the masses, creating a world where everyone, you and me, can thrive in a safe and secure digital environment. Now, I don't want to move forward without first giving a big shout out to all our DJs in the house. I see a lot of people on X today, so if you're on X, let me know in the chat box. If you're in YouTube, I see you guys. We're coming in early today, so some of the guys are not here yet because we're coming in early. I'm losing my voice. I have many meetings ahead of me today. I don't even know how I'm gonna go through the day, but I'm gonna push through it. A lot of work happening in the back. What's going on, the tech guy? Great, thank you for showing up. So many things going on, so make sure you grab your cup of coffee, tune in, get ready, because we are about to go to town. Now, before I move forward, I just need you to know and understand this, that here at the Degen Forest, we just want you to be happy.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.
That's it. That's all we want you to be here. We want you to be happy. The tech guy, my man, if you can do me a favor and drop the link of this on Telegram. I was not able to do that this morning. We have some issues with YouTube. It's not showing me in the dashboard the links, and I had to create like 2 live streams. I didn't know which one is the one that was going to go live. So make sure you alert the family over there at Telegram. Let them know that we're already live with the news ongoing on YouTube. Everybody's already on X having fun. So we got a lot to cover because the news cycle, guys, the news cycle have been crazy. And as you guys all know, after an unsuccessful assassination attempt on the candidate Donald J. Trump, then what everybody considers is going to be the next president of the United States. A couple weeks ago, it's been already over 1 week, right? A week and a couple days since that took place. Well, the news cycle has gone crazy since then with conspiracy theories about everything that happened. We all know. We don't believe the Secret Service was in it, by now we all know that the Secret Service was in it, right? There's no denying by now that the Secret Service was in the plot to assassinate the candidate Donald J. Trump. So we can see that the powers that be gave the green light. They want to actually get rid of Trump no matter what. And that's what we can see with our own eyes. You can see the media trying to tell you not to believe your lying eyes, but if you know and you can see with your own eyes, you don't even need anybody to tell you what's going on, because it's so in our face. So in our face. But we're not going to talk about that today. The show is not about, all the news taking place around the assassination attempt. That's not why we're here. My man, maybe you're not sure. If they're not in it, they took the opportunity. They saw what was about to happen and they let it happen. It's either or. They either plan it, or they saw 3 hours prior what this guy was trying to do, and on the spot they just allowed it to happen. Regardless of which one was it, they were in it. We just don't know the depth of which they were corrupted. That, of course, they don't want the blame. Nobody wants the blame. Who will want the blame on that? They just want the scapegoat to take the blame, right? They just want the scapegoat, which is the shooter that they kill in the instant, because that way you cannot ask questions, right? You cannot ask questions now to the guy. So they want all the blame to go to the scapegoat, and this was a lone shooter, all of that. Either way, this show is not about that, so I'm gonna move past that because we got a ton of news to cover, and Bitcoin is pumping, because the real news happening right now is the fact that Joe Biden out of the race. Joe Biden dropped out, and now they are concocting a plan to get rid of Kamala. And you may say, get rid of Kamala? Yes, that is exactly what they want to do. That's exactly what they will do. And you may say, but wait a minute, if I go to Polymarket, everybody thinks that Kamala will be the candidate. No, she will not be. You need to understand how these things work. All right? You gotta look more. You gotta zoom out. So here's the biggest problem. Why Joe took so long to drop out is because they didn't want Kamala, but then they are in another problem, because they cannot fire Kamala. So they don't want Kamala to be the candidate, but they cannot fire Kamala because of optics. They cannot fire an African American woman, right? They cannot fire a black woman of the right out of the biggest seat on the. So what are they gonna do? How do they get rid of her? Very simple, very simple. Everybody will support her. Every white guy, every Democrat white guy will support her, and that's what you see. This camera messing up. So every white guy came out to support her right away, including Joe Biden. It was very important in the process of getting rid of Kamala. It was very important to have Joe Biden come out and support her very fast. This was crucial. Also, they needed every major donor, every major white guy to come out and stick their neck for Kamala, to show the party, to show the optics. No, we do support the African American black, the black woman to become a president. Everybody's saying, yes, we do support her. But then the only person, the only individual, the only guy that can fire her came out and did not support her, and that was Obama. Obama is not supporting Kamala, and he's calling for an open convention because only the black guy can fire the black woman. optics. Only the black guy can say the word with the N. Only the black guy can fire the black woman. So every white guy stick their neck for her to keep the optics alive, and Joe can go down saying, I supported Kamala. I wasn't the racist. It was Obama, but Obama cannot be racist because he's black. So if Obama doesn't support her, that is the dog signal to the bases. That is the dog signal to all the campuses and all the universities, all the liberal universities. Is telling all the students, do not support her. Alongside that, you have AOC, Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez, which is a Puerto Rican, the worst Puerto Rican on the face of earth. I am ashamed that she is a Puerto Rican. As a Puerto Rican, I apologize to the world for her. What the heck? But anyways, but she is also not supporting Kamala. That is the dog whistle to the basis of the party. That is behind closed doors. Everybody's saying, no, we're not supporting Kamala, but we have to say so. Remember what Hillary said on the infamous speech, that they have to have a public position and a private position? Don't you remember that speech? That's how they work. The Democratic Party works this way. The public position, every white guy supports Kamala. The private position, nobody supports Kamala. But then we're gonna have the black guy, Obama, come out and say, no, it cannot be her. Now, who's gonna be the candidate, you may ask? Who's gonna be the candidate? One of the two, maybe three. Hillary Clinton, that is the one with the least chance. Watch. They're gonna try to bring her back. They will try to bring her back. Or number two, it's going to be Michelle Obama. She's been saying, no, I don't want it. Believe me, when somebody tells you that they don't want something, it's because they want it very hard. They want it very bad. They want it. They just want it. So it's going to be either Hillary or Michelle or Gavin, if Gavin is up to throw their neck on the race. Or surprise candidate that nobody's even looking. There might be a surprise candidate that nobody, some fresh face that nobody knows about. Somebody that, we don't have Americans don't have the time to do the due diligence on him. Somebody that maybe doesn't have a lot of bad track record, right? They bring a fresh face and try to push it forward. They may succeed with that. We don't know. But all we know is that Obama is not backing Kamala. And Obama is the only guy in the whole party that can actually fire Kamala. And we can see it. It's right here, happening live on X. You can see it all happening. So, very interesting take from Vivek, because he says we're not fighting against, a candidate. We're fighting against a machine, and that's right. It's not a fight against a specific candidate here. What the other side, the Republican side, well, you need to understand is two wings of the same bird. At the end of the day, same shit, different color, but that's a topic for another day. Either way, the other side is not fighting with one candidate at this point. They're fighting with a total machine that is already embedded into the whole, federal ecosystem. So it does not matter who you elect, really. It's the paper pushers, the ones who really control this country. Whether we like to accept it or not, that is the reality. So that's what's happening. So Vivek is calling it like it is. He's calling it like it is, that, we're just fighting against a machine. Now, when you look at Donald Trump, you got to think about this. You got the guy that was impeached. He was banned from all social media. He was threatened with ballot removal. He was indicted. He was arrested. And he was convicted. But if that wasn't enough, because that wasn't enough, they was also shot at, right? They tried to kill him. So that was Donald Trump. But at the end, it will be Biden, the one who dropped out. If that doesn't tell you something, I don't know what will. I mean, I hope you're enjoying the show because this season of the USA reality show, it's bananas. I mean, Jesus is coming soon. I hope you're ready. I really do. You don't know how honestly I hope you are ready because, I mean, we're either living in a simulation or Jesus is coming soon and this is gonna be over and nothing will matter. Because what the hell? What the hell? What's going on? What's going on? Can you believe everything that has just gone down in the past few weeks? You're watching history right in front of your eyes. Look at it. Take the time to understand what it means in the grand scope of things, right? Zoom out. Things are getting heated and the prophecies are falling into place. So I never want to get too religious on you, but I mean the signs are all right there. I mean you can either take action and accept Jesus and understand that He's the only path and way, or you can keep living your life the way you do, and then we'll see what's going to happen in a few years. At the end of the day, I'm either right or I am right. That's it. You don't believe me? Well, you'll see. You'll see. You'll see. Oh, you don't think that you think that Kamala will be the candidate? Watch. You think that Kamala will be the candidate? Watch. Just watch. What do I know? What do I know? Let's get into crypto. Let's get into crypto because at the end of the day, that's what we are here for. That's what you're here for. And we got breaking news that we told you. We told you this last Friday before we went into the weekend that Donald Trump may announce a strategic, if they add the Bitcoin to the strategic reserve fund, guys, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, things are going to get crazy. Things are going to get cracker crazy. You are not ready. You are not bullish enough. You're just not bullish enough for what is about to come if Donald J. Trump announces that he will be adding Bitcoin to the United States Strategic Reserve Fund this week. It's not next week, it's this week. It's this week. Because you know what's happening. Elon Musk just put laser eyes. If you were here last cycle, you know that the moment that Elon Musk, Michael Saylor, Andy Pump, and a bunch of Bitcoin maxis, they put laser eyes on, Bitcoin broke all-time high and it went bananas. So I hope you're ready because Elon Musk just did it again, baby. He just did it again. He have some laser eyes. Look at that. Biden HQ, something went wrong. Man, this guy is the best. This guy is the best. But the news are today that the jet right here, the jet is right here on Nashville. You want to see the Elon Musk jet is right there. It's literally, I am very close to the airport, by the way, so it's right there. And I'm very close to the city as well. So yes, Elon Musk is here. He is in Nashville, ladies and gentlemen, and then rumors may be actually true. He may show up to the Bitcoin conference on a surprise appearance. I hope you're ready for it. I hope you're coming. If you're coming, let me know. Let me know because I wanna see you. Let's hang out. Let's have some fun because Elon Musk, it's coming to the Bitcoin Nashville conference and he has just made arrival. A few days early though. I think that he's too early for a guy that is as busy as he is, arriving 2 days earlier. Why? Who is he meeting with over the next few days? What else is he doing here in Nashville to take advantage of the travel? Because, okay, we get it. We got the Bitcoin conference literally coming in 2 days' time. Starts on the 25th and goes to 25th, 26th, and 27th. So towards the end of this week. So why is he arriving now? Why is he in Nashville now, 2 days prior. Well, you gotta think who is already coming to Nashville. Well, you know, you got every top whale on Bitcoin, every top whale on Doge, every top whale on Ethereum, every MFer that is somebody in crypto will be at this conference. What you need to understand that this right here is the biggest motherfucker conference on the face of earth when it comes to Bitcoin, because it's the conference that happens during a halving cycle. You got Donald Trump coming in, you got Elon Musk, and you have literally everybody that wants to be around that circle coming into Nashville. Every major YouTube channel will be here. Every major whale will be here. Every VC investor will be right here and will be right there at the top front in our Tesla. If you want to know me, you're going to see a white Tesla with a black hood. I'm going to post some pictures later on social media. If you see the white Tesla with the black hood, that's me. That's me. Hop on, where I'm gonna be all around the city, moving people around, helping the whales move around, helping everybody move around. And while we are there, guess what I'm gonna be doing? I'm gonna be sharing our beautiful Degen wallet with all of them, showing them that, you know, this wallet is the best thing since sliced bread. That's the best thing. So this wallet is the one that they need to be adding to their portfolio along with the Mula token, right? Because if they don't have the Mula token, then they're gonna miss out. So I'm gonna be talking to all of them about the business, and that's the beauty. Our business model is so easy to understand. So all I need is 1 minute with all of them, and I got my pitch ready to go. Elevator pitch everywhere I go, doing the elevator pitch. That, guys, you need to understand that in marketing, that this is why it's called the elevator pitch. And sometimes you hear terms and you cannot make the connection. In marketing, when you're pitching any type of product, service, or company, startup, technology, you need to have nailed down what we call the elevator pitch, because it literally means that it must be a pitch that you can do while you are inside an elevator. We're talking, what, 30 seconds to 1 minute? I have it ready. And I can show real quick. This is the business model, this is the token, this is how you make money. Go, go, go. Buy it before anybody else. Buy it before it's hot. Buy it, buy it, buy it. And that's it. You want to invest? We got all kinds of deals available. If you want to help us out, we got all kinds of help that you can come and provide. So let's talk. So if you are coming to Nashville, let's talk. I'll be right there. You're not going to be able to miss me. I am the white Tesla with the black hood. And I'll be right in front. I know the parking, I know all the spots. You're not gonna be able to miss me, because I'm gonna be with my hoodie and my wallet running up and down, up and down. So come and get ready, because we got everybody coming. And it's gonna be crazy. Elon Musk have laser eyes. Tesla earnings reports on Tuesday. Elon jet landed in Nashville, Tennessee, where there will be a Bitcoin conference next week, which is this week. Trump will be speaking. I am not saying something is cooking, but I am not saying something is not either. And guess what? You got the Bitcoin magazine is Bitcoin magazine is the one organizing the conference. I mean, there are several organizers at the top, but I think that the Bitcoin magazine is one of them. And we have this guy. I forgot his name. Oh my God, I'm so bad with names. But we have one of the big guys, one of the top guys inside the Bitcoin magazine. He came out. I don't have the tweet ready. I apologize for that. But he came out and said he apologized in advance for breaking the internet. So they're expecting that the news that Donald J. Trump will dump on us during this conference are so massive, are so big, that they're going to break up the internet this week. Are you ready? Are you ready? I am. I know I am. I mean, I may not have a lot of voice, but believe me, I will be right there. Even if I have to be doing sign language, I'll be right there enjoying every single bit of it. Believe that. You gotta believe that. Of course, I will be with all my hoodies. Every day, a different hoodie. You will be able to see my PFP. You cannot miss me. If you know my PFP on Twitter, you will see me. You know that I'll be preaching mula up and down, up and down. All right. So what else we got in the news? What else we got in the news? Of course, we got the Ethereum ETF. Ethereum ETF getting approved tomorrow. So tomorrow, Ethereum ETF, be ready for that. A lot going on. That kickstarts a lot going on in our community too, so be in the lookout. I'm about to talk about that here in a second, so let's finish with the news. We got the Ethereum ETF flows. We got new all-time highs for Ethereum, memes, and you're gonna see Ethereum rip above 4K. Ethereum all-time high is incoming. Don't believe me? Just watch. New all-time high of Ethereum memes with Pepe and Mug. Will be going crazy. Solana already showing that they don't care that it's going hard. As Solana is going bananas already. Solana memes are going crazy. Leg will be higher. Bitcoin rallies into Trop Bitcoin Nashville conference. All of this is happening. Let's go. Time of accumulation is over. The time to blow up, it's now. If you are not in, you're gonna miss out. If you are not in, you're gonna miss out. If you do not have a bag of moolah yet, you are going to miss out. Now, I get it. You should never buy any token that you don't understand. You should never purchase any token that you don't understand. So you should not buy moolah. I will say that again. You should not buy moolah. I will say it one more time. You, sir, should do not buy moolah unless you know and understand our business model. Because here we are not promoting a token. Everybody else is promoting a token, but that is just smokes and mirrors, just the musical chairs. That's not what we do here. Here we promote a wallet capable of generating real revenues. Those revenues is what makes the moolah token going up. It's not us here chilling a token. Everybody else will be doing that. So here at the Degen Forest, we stand out. Yes, we stand out. We stand out. Why? Because here we promote a wallet. Everybody needs a wallet. I don't care what project. I don't care what project you want to support. In order to support that project, you need a wallet. So is MetaMask compensating you right now? Is Phantom compensating you right now? The answer is no. So here with the Degen wallet, not only you're gonna get compensated for using the wallet through the moolah token, but you will be having the most secure and easy to use wallet on the face of earth. Don't believe me? Head over to our Android Play Store and check it out. The public beta is already out for those who have Android. iOS version is coming soon, but once again, you should not buy moolah. You should just do not buy moolah unless you understand the business model. But this is the beauty. The business model is so easy to understand that all it takes is 1 minute. So check it out.
Degen Forest is a decentralized autonomous organization that builds Web3 technology to help you manage your finances independent of traditional banks. With the help of our loyal community, we have created the Degen Wallet and the Degen Vault, a powerful software and hardware wallet combination where users can manage their digital assets, swap currencies, buy and sell NFTs, and access DeFi functionalities, all from a single secure mobile platform. Members who own a Degen Forest NFT have exclusive access to beta test the latest updates of our Degen Wallet and our Degen Vault. You can also enjoy free transactions within the Degen Wallet and earn moolah tokens on every transaction you make as a token of appreciation for supporting our development. We generate revenue through a small fee on DeFi transactions and hardware wallet sales. 33% of this revenue goes towards further product development and operations. Another 33% goes to our DAO reserve for our members to vote on what they want to do with them. And the final 33% is used to buy and burn moolah tokens in the open market every month. That's how we transfer the revenue generated by our products and services to our loyal community members, increasing the value of their Moolah tokens. Join us today and unlock a world of financial freedom in the new era of crypto with the Degen Forest.
That's it. It's that simple to understand. We got a wallet. That wallet generates revenue, and that revenue is used to buy back the Moolah token and burn it. So now that you understand the business model, now you can go and buy the Moolah token, because now you understand that here you're not just hoping for somebody else to buy the token. Here you're not just hoping to sell this to somebody else, to the newbies, to the retail. You're not just waiting for unsuspected retail to come in and buy the token so that you can buy it, sell it at a higher price. Here you know that with our Moolah token, you have a DAO that is going to be using 33% of all the revenue generated inside that wallet to buy back that Moolah token and burn it. Here you have a guaranteed buyer coming in every single month. It does not matter if we are in a bull market, and it does not matter if we are in a bear market. The wallet will be generating revenue, and that revenue will be used to buy back the Moolah token and burn it. If you understand that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and let everybody know about us, and let everybody know that the Moolah token is the token they should be getting a bag on before this ETF gets approved and we hop on the wave and go to town. So I hope you're paying attention. I hope you're paying attention, because we're about to go crazy. We're about to go crazy. Now that you understand the business model, last Friday, we released our Moolah tokens metrics page. So here you can come in and see, everything that you need to know about this page. Also, last Friday, we released a teaser of how this page will look like once fully completed. Be in the lookout, because we got more sections coming up to you very soon. But right now, we released our initial Moolah token metrics section that includes the price chart and includes the information about the supply, the market cap, the transaction volume moving in the last 24 hours, right? We can see the liquidity, we can see the volume right here, we can see the token burns roadmap right now, since we have not yet launched the wallet into the public, right? We have not yet. This camera wants to mess up today. All right, since we have not yet launched our wallet into the public, we're not generating revenue, we're not doing token burns. We're going to be releasing the wallet in like 1 or 2 months. I don't know exactly when. We're gonna wait for Bitcoin to hit an all-time high, and we need to wait for a couple other things. We're ironing out some last-minute bugs that we faced when we did the migration from the staging environment into the production environment. We are facing some last-minute bugs that we're crushing. But aside that, the Android version will be released first, then the iOS version should be released around November or December, and the token burns should start around October or November. If we manage to release the wallet on August or September, then we're gonna be doing the first token burn around October and November. And like I have always been telling you guys, you should not sell this token. If you sell this token before the token burns have started, what are you doing? What are you doing? You are not understanding the business model. Moreover, if you sell this token before the next summer, what are you doing? After next summer, if you want to sell it, I don't care. Honest to God, I am the only project that will tell you so. We have a buyer. We're not depending on retail. We do not need retail. The wallet is the buyer. Get that in your head. So once the wallet starts to buy and burn, you gotta allow the pattern to form. And then that will make every trader rush in as we go towards the top of the Bitcoin market. So as we get closer to the top of the Bitcoin market around April, May next year, that's when you should be looking to sell not only Mula, but everything you have in your portfolio. May, April next year, you should be selling all. So buy now, right? Because now is the bottom. Now we are literally at the bottom. That's gonna be this week. That is over. So right now you may be looking at the chart, and you may be looking, at this, and you say, "Oh, the price is low." Exactly. So you should be buying now, because after this week, you're no longer gonna see this. I am telling you, literally. I mean, how much clearer can I be, guys? This pretty much over. The window of opportunity is over. So we got the Ethereum ETF getting approved tomorrow. So if you want to score a bag before this goes bananas, you have literally today, tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, because we go live trading this week. Even if you are late, let me tell you something, you are late, because I am telling you when to buy. That's right now. I am also telling you when to sell. What other project founder has the balls to do that? I will wait. We are executing on a beautiful strategy here. You can either get on and ride the wave with us, or you can just watch it happen from the sidelines. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. I am telling you that your window of opportunity is pretty much over, and that things are about to go bananas. If you understand that, then you know what's coming. That's it. That's it. Now, I must also cover a topic that I was talking about with the community. I've been doing a lot of reflection these past few weeks, especially after our token launch, and after I have seen many exchange behaviors, after I have seen how many exchanges are behaving. It leads me to believe that the centralized exchange model is a dying breed. Exchanges as we know them are no longer going to exist. Everything will be decentralized. Everything will be decentralized. So last Saturday, I was, after doing a lot of reflection, I went to speak with our community in Discord. If you are one of our beta testers, if you are one of our NFT hodlers, you know that we have a private Discord where we're always having conversations, and you have direct access to me there every day, 7 days a week. If you post on Discord, that is at the top of my priority list when it comes to answering messages, because you must be an NFT hodler in order for you to message there. So I want to show some of the, I want to be transparent, and I'm going to show exactly my post, and I'm also going to show some of the conversation that took place inside our Discord, so that you can then transparently understand why is that we're making the decisions that we're making now. That's the best way I can be transparent with you guys. So this is exactly what I said last Saturday inside our Discord. Good morning, Degen apes. I have been doing a lot of research the last few days. A ton of analysis about a ton of analysis about centralized exchanges. The reason why I have been doing this research is because I'm trying to answer some questions in the back of my mind. Because leaving aside Coinbase, Bybit, and Binance, we're going to put aside the top dogs. We understand that, of course, many newbies come through Coinbase. If you want to do futures, you go to Bybit and Binance. If you're a newbie, you come to Binance if you are outside of the United States, right? So that is kind of how it goes. You can also single out BitGet, that they serve South Korea. So there are a couple exchanges that everything that we say here does not apply to. But honestly, Those not are the exchanges we're trying to get listed right now, because those are exchanges, usually takes a much longer time and timing market for us to be able to get listed there. So we're gonna leave aside Coinbase, Bybit, Binance, everything that is a tier 1 exchange. Let's put that on the side for a second. But when we speak about everybody else, why will anybody go through the trouble of having to create an account, do KYC, then face deposit and withdrawal delays on a centralized exchange when they can just go to Uniswap and in 2 seconds make the purchase without any delays or hassles? Honest to God. Why will anybody go to places like MEXC or XT? We're there. We can see it. The organic volume there. They have some, but traders, people looking just to trade coins. Nobody that is a normie, nobody that is coming new to the space comes to this space through those types of exchanges. Those exchanges are catering more to traders. That's why they offer functions like copy trading and the APIs and many things that makes your life as a trader easy. But traders don't care about fundamentals, and 99% of the time, they don't even know what the token they're trading even means, and traders will dump your token and wreck your chart if they have to. Not to count the hefty listing prices. You gotta pay upwards of $80,000 in a combination of USD and tokens, right? You have to give these exchanges, every single one of them, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars in listing fees, and then on top of that, another, ton of money for liquidity that usually they deplete. They're very sneaky at milking your liquidity if you don't know what you're paying attention to. Gladly, I'm a founder who have been here since 2013 and been there, done that, have seen it all, and I've been able to spot a lot of shenanigans going on behind the scenes once you come in as a founder wanting to launch a token, and then I start asking questions and they start sweating because they know I have caught them in their game. Either way, I'm not gonna get into that, but in my humble opinion, centralized exchanges, as we know them, are dying. They're dying. Why will anybody go to a centralized exchange that is geo-targeted? If you are in the United States, you cannot go to MEXC and buy the Mula token. So why will I pay exchanges like MEXC that we have a contract signed, we're about to go list on them, we have been dealing with them, and then all of a sudden I'm like, well, wait a minute, people from the United States cannot join? If they want to buy a token, people that sign up, if they want to buy a token, they have to do KYC, a lot of trouble. And then, to deposit, if you have ever done a deposit to a centralized exchange, you know this. You do the deposit and then you go like this. And then you wait a couple hours and the deposit lands, and then you're like, whew, right? And then you do your transaction, and when you do your withdrawal, you submit your withdrawal and you go like that, again. And sometimes even a day goes by, 2 days goes by, and you get your withdrawal. Why will you want to do that? Why will anybody want to do that when they can just go to Uniswap and in 2 taps be done, and the coins are in their wallet already? No need. And some people may argue, well, they need that for gas money anyways. But but they will go sign up on Coinbase and Gemini and Binance for that. And our token is not there yet. So I will force people that already have an account there to go make another account on another exchange just so they can get our token and limit. What? That makes no sense to me. So I pose the question to the community. Moreover, why are we going to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars from our hard-earned pre-sale funds, right? You know that we did a pre-sale. We raised a little over $1 million. We have been defending the price, adding some liquidity. We added liquidity. We paid the exchange listing on XT. We paid liquidity, the market makers. We paid liquidity on XT and liquidity on Uniswap. Aside several other little things that we have to be paying to make things. So now, here we are. We got another exchange at our doors, and they want, hundreds of thousands of dollars just to get listed from our pre-sale funds. You know how hard it took for us to be able to raise these funds, just for these funds now to be depleted little by little by these exchanges. I'm not going to call them what I think, but what? I don't know. Why are we going to do that? We can use those funds, right? We can use those funds to build our liquidity pools on Uniswap and send this coin to Valhalla without the need to waste our hard-earned capital in listing fees. Imagine if instead of using that money on listing fees, we use that money to build up our liquidity on Uniswap. That's why I'm telling you, the window of opportunity is shrinking because we're executing in our plan. So, all right, things are about to go crazy. What are you going to do with that information? Be my guest. But what is best for us? To use all of those funds to pay the exchanges, the gatekeepers, hefty listing fees? Or can we use those funds to build a more healthy ecosystem on Uniswap where everybody have access and it takes 2 seconds to submit a transaction? I don't know about you, but I think that Uniswap is better. So as I say that to say I'm considering not listing on any any tier 2 exchange. We're not gonna list. Any tier 2 exchange, I wanna go to tier 1 exchanges only. If you want me to spend that kind of money, yes, I'm gonna spend it, but I'm gonna spend it on tier 1 exchanges, baby. I'm gonna spend that. I'm not gonna spend that on tier 2 exchanges that are not bringing new people into the space. Why will I do that? Why will I do that? So that is what I expose, unless anyone here have a reason why. And I open the question to you now, if you're watching this. Give me one good reason why we should list on MEXC. Spend over $80,000 to $100,000 on listing fees, plus liquidity, plus market making, maintenance, plus a bunch of other stuff. For what? Imagine using all of that money into building a much healthy liquidity pool on Uniswap instead of bowing down for centralized exchanges like everybody else wants. Why? Somebody please come to the comment section and give me one good reason why. Why? And think about the reason. Is the reason you're giving me worth $100,000? Because if it is, it's not a good reason. If it's not, right, it's not a good reason. Honest to God, you can see here that the community chime in. Crypto C, many people in the community chiming in, letting us know what they think. Gladly enough, most of you, if not all, agree with my premise. So get ready, because we're going to Valhalla together, and things are about to go crazy. This is what I needed to make you guys aware of. So I hope that you guys are ready, because these that you see right here will not be for much longer. Okay? We're gonna focus all of our attention on Uniswap and Uniswap only. And everything will be happening there, publicly, on-chain, with data people can watch and quantify. That will be our strategy moving forward, instead of wasting all of that money in centralized exchanges that are no longer useful to the people. I mean, I get it, back in the day when Uniswap didn't exist. Of course that using a centralized exchange was a must. But now with Uniswap on base, you don't even spend money in gas fees. Gas fees are so cheap. You only need, $1 for gas chips, and It will take you over 100 transactions for you to spend that $1. Think about that for a second. Very, very cheap. Why do you need to go do KYC on MEXC or GateW or Bluefin or none of these tier 2 exchanges that are not really adding value to our tokens? People, when they want to buy your token, they go to Uniswap and they buy there. Correct me if I'm wrong, because that's what I do. When I want to buy a token, I don't go looking for what exchange. I just look, okay, is this on Base? Uniswap. Is this on Solana? Radium. I just go, or I go through 1 inch and I don't care, right? I use the Degen wallet and I don't care. The Degen wallet will find the best liquidity and do the swap for you. Go use the Degen wallet. We're gonna find the best possible price and liquidity depth, and that's how we're gonna run your transaction, regardless of what decentralized exchange is in the back. You cannot do that in centralized exchanges. You just can't. So the centralized exchanges are officially a dying breed. You're watching a business model die right in front of your eyes. Don't believe me, just watch. Only the top dogs will survive, and that's going to be Coinbase, Binance, Bybit. These type of exchanges will survive. Everything else, watch. Don't believe me. Don't believe me. What do I know? I've been here for 15 years. What do I know, right? All right, guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna head out. My throat is killing me, so I'm not gonna do Q&A today unless there's a quick question. Anybody has a question? I wanna open up for questions. Anybody has a question? So let's go. Let's see if you wanna be my friend now that I told you all of these, and then we go into question. Drop them into the chat box if you have them.
Can I be your friend?
That's right. That's right. What a great question just came in. So glad that I opened up for questions. I don't have a voice, but thank you, gaming account, because the question you just posed, beautiful. Can we track the wallet on XT? How do we ensure they won't spoof fake numbers of tokens later? Just want to make sure we moon safely. Brother, you have no idea how much I have thought about that. That is kind of the realization I had. I don't want to spill the beans because I don't want to spread FUD, and I don't want the whole industry to turn against us, if you follow my mojo. But I saw them for what they really are, and I got scared. I am not going to any tier 2 exchange out of a safety precaution. Only tier 1 exchanges. That is the reality. So thank you for your question. So savvy. That tells me you know a thing or two. Okay. We took over. We're not. I am taking over market making activity. We're taking over everything. We are taking over. Today and tomorrow, we are in that process. I am taking over all the market making activities on the DEX, and I am taking over all the market making activities on XT. And we are tracking that wallet closely. Not only that, we're tracking the books inside the wallet, the exchange, because now we are the market makers and we have the math. So we know exactly how much tokens are in the hands of people inside the exchange and how much tokens are on our hands. And if there is a discrepancy against the total supply, we can catch it like that. But we had to take over because I cannot. I'm sorry, I mean, they're offering a great service so far, but I cannot, at this stage of this game, I cannot trust nobody. I cannot trust the market maker. I cannot trust any exchange. I cannot trust any service provider. I can only trust myself. So we're executing on a beautiful strategy here that you can see has a lot of potential thanks to our business model, and we are not going to allow any grifter, any shady individual or entity to come and deplete us from what we have worked so hard for, right? Keep us from achieving the dream that we have worked so hard for just because they want to make a quick buck out of our ass. Hell no, it's not going to happen. You watch me, because I'm not gonna allow it, but I am on top of them. More work for me though, I gotta be honest, the amount of work on the top of my shoulders right now, it's insane, but I don't mind it because I have worked so hard and I have come so long. I'm not gonna let this mofo, I'm not gonna fumble this ball, and I'm not gonna let shady individuals take the ball away from us. It's not gonna happen. Watch, just watch. But I'm so glad you asked that question, because that is what makes sense. When you look at everything, yeah, you gotta follow the other book and do the math but you have to be the market maker. That's the thing. Even if you cannot just pay them, you have to be it. Because you gotta have an account of how much on the order books is you as a market maker, and how much in the order books is the true organic volume, and the discrepancies in the math among those two. And if I catch them, I'm going to them and I'm going to town on them, and I'm gonna call them out on their bullshit if I find evidence. So I think that once they see me take over these 2 days, if there is any shenanigans going on, it's gonna stop. Because otherwise I got a show. I'm right here. I'm gonna be calling them out on their bullshit. Because I don't care. I don't get paid by nobody. I'm not sponsored by nobody. I am here by myself, have been here by myself since 2013, and I'm not going anywhere. So I don't care. I honestly don't care what anybody thinks about me. I just care about the truth, because only the truth will set you free. So the truth is that there are several scams taking place inside CoinGecko, inside CoinMarketCap, and 80% of all the exchanges you see there, they are literal scams. Those are the facts. We saw it with P2B. I mean, anybody that saw what took place on P2B, don't tell me that it's not a scam, because it is a scam. Glad and thank God that he is my backer, and we were able to resolve it. But you guys don't even know half of the shit yet. That's the honest truth. So I'm not going to go here, exchange after exchange with the KY loop, getting raped by them, and then that will effectively kill the project, my man. Hell no. I'm sorry, brother. No. It's not gonna happen. Not on my watch. I'm taking over now. And I dare you to pull something sneaky inside any exchange, because I'm gonna be watching, and I'm gonna be calling you out, and I'm gonna pull out of the exchange. If you do anything, I'm gonna pull out. I don't care. I'm gonna pull out of the exchange. Why? Because we do not depend on retail. I don't need you to tell others to buy my coin. The DAO buys our coin. We're not promoting a token, we're promoting a wallet. Get it? So my token being on your exchange does not matter to me. You will want us anyways, sooner or later. But at the end of the day, I don't depend on retail buying my token. We're gonna buy it ourselves and burn it. Out of the revenue generated, not by a token, but by a real tool, a wallet. And everybody needs a wallet. Everybody needs a wallet. We don't need to beat MetaMask. We don't need to be the biggest wallet either. I don't need to be bigger than Phantom for this to work. We just need what? 10, 20,000 users? Do you think that out of the millions and millions and millions of users that are pouring into the industry right now, thanks to our referral program and our beautiful community, do you believe that we can achieve 10, 30, maybe 50,000 monthly active users. If we can do that, the Mula token will be on Mars. Because the strategy was made for that. I've been here since 2013. I know how all works. So what you need to understand is this. That what move price is not the market cap, is the liquidity. I will say that again because your favorite YouTuber is fooling you. That YouTuber that is telling you, look at the market cap, he is fooling you. The market cap means nothing. Fully diluted value means nothing. Liquidity is king. The only thing that matters is liquidity. If you understand that, then you know what's about to happen. I've been telling you. Do with this information as you wish. I don't need the exchanges. I don't need retail because we have a wallet and the wallet can be promoted via traditional means. I don't need BitBoy to talk about us. I don't need crypto banter to speak about us. If your business model depends on YouTubers speaking about you, if the success of your coin depends on influencers having to speak about your token, you are doomed to fail. Your coin will go down the drain. There is no way that coin will succeed because even if the YouTuber were to speak about your coin, he will not do it every day or every week because you have to pay them. If the success of your coin depends on influencers and marketers and X accounts speaking about the token and a celebrity joining the token or a wild buy, you're doomed to fail. The token needs to have a sustainable business model capable of pushing that token up regardless if people are buying or not. That is how you succeed in this market. And that is what the Mula token is able to do for you. Because here you just promote a wallet. Not a token, a wallet. I don't need BitBoy to speak about the token. Why will I? I just go to Facebook and Taboola and Outbrain and TikTok and everywhere, Snapchat, and I promote the wallet using lookalike pixels with events on the swap so that everybody that swaps, I tell the algorithm, find me more people like him. We want more people that do swaps. So every time the swap event fires, it's telling the Facebook pixel that that person purchased, and Facebook will not go after that person because Facebook doesn't even know who that person is, but it will find more people like him based on the behavioral analysis that they do because they know your Facebook account. They know you because everywhere you go has the Facebook pixel. Every website you have ever visited has a Facebook pixel in case you didn't know. So when you fire an event for a swap, I can tell Facebook, find me everybody that does swap. Meaning, every crypto group in Facebook that is about crypto, and Instagram, in the Reels, everybody. We can target them. We can run Google Play ads and Google and Apple iOS ads. Every time somebody says crypto wallet, we can show up there and be an alternative wallet for them. We can do a ton of traditional marketing, which we happen to be experts on, without the need of having to bend over for influencers who will charge you an arm and a leg and will just speak about you once or twice. Hell no. Of course, we want the influencers to speak about us, but for the right reasons. Not because we have to bend over for them and pay them big time. What's going on? I want to ask, the Degen Forest has a legal team? Yes, we do. We have great question. Do we have a legal team on the company? By the way, get all pre-sale stable funds from? Yes, we got all the tokens. We got all the pre-sale funds. We got it all. We had to use the legal team. We do have a legal team. This is a real project, guys. We're not a meme coin, right? We got an Inc. on Delaware, that is Degen Web3 Services Inc. And we got a DAO on Wyoming, that is Degen Forest DAO LLC. Proper legal DAO, done correctly, all the paperwork, operating agreement, smart contracts, everything submitted to the state properly. And we do have an amazing legal team that have helped us with all the contracts, the legal, all the business, all the agreements between the DAO and the Inc., everything that has to do with the equity investments, the proper structure of the equity, and the cap table, right? Everything here, a lot of work, a lot of money, let me tell you. But everything has been done. And we did all of that work at the beginning as we were building, and my Degen apes in the house don't let me lie. As we were building the wallet, I was in parallel doing all of this, right? So it was a lot of work that took place in the admin side to ensure we meet every legal regulation. We are an US company, by the way. So we are in the USA. So we have to comply by a lot of bullshit, right? And we have to keep an eye of what maybe new bullshit may come our way. And we have to prepare for that. So we did a lot of hard work that went into that first. Equity investments and token investments, which is the pre-sale is the token investments. We got whales. We got big contracts coming out of South Korea right now. We're doing a lot in South Korea, guys. You wait until you guys find out everything that's gonna go down there. Either way, I'm not gonna go over. But yes, thank you, gaming account. You're doing amazing. You're doing amazing. Hopefully, all things related to P2B is already completed. Yeah, all of that is completed. P2B is officially completely behind us. Right now, we're gonna take over the market making to ensure we got control of that. And then, hopefully this week, we start our ride up to Valhalla. So you guys have until now and then to accommodate yourself, if you know what I mean. Until then, I think that's all for the day. Thank you, everybody, for all the love. Thank you, everybody. Looks like we got one last question. General market is going up. I bought some more moolah. Am I going to make it? Best luck, of course, my man. You, my friend, are going to make it because Dogecoin. Oh, you don't believe me? Watch what Elon Musk is gonna do with Doge once he implements the payment system. Retail is coming hard. Things are going to go bananas after the Bitcoin conference. I hope you guys are ready. I'm so glad. I'm so honored to be with all of you here. I'm so happy that you are here with me. How you got here, it does not matter how you came across my content or our community. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the help. And I hope you're ready. Buckle up, because we're about to go to the moon, and this ship is not going to stop. So many things are happening during the event. I'm going to be posting, as many pictures as I can with as many people as I do those elevator pitches. I'm gonna be trying to snap the picture, pop it on Telegram. If you're not on Telegram, the information flow, because we spoke on last Saturday on Discord, but then on Sunday we took the topic to Telegram and we discussed the topic in depth in Telegram before coming in today to YouTube, X and whatnot, to and bring the topic here out in the public. But so yeah, you guys understand that is how the information flows here in the channel. So my man, of course, you and I and everybody here at the Degen Forest is definitely going to make it.
Coming up, bad news for savers, as even those with high-interest savings accounts are seeing their money disappear thanks to inflation. But first, we'll detail every possible thing you could die from. He's a rational investor, dividend digester, saves some of his paycheck just like all his ancestors. Him looking for high yields? That's never the case. He's seeking 6% returns. Slow and steady wins the race. But when he checks his accounts just to see what they're fielding, it's like driving in Maryland. Ain't nobody yielding. What is he to do? He shouldn't be in a drought. So he visits his advisor just to sort it all out. Inflation's higher than your bond rate. That's what I was fearing. So your savings account is slowly disappearing and your CDs are pointless. That's not very funny. What would you like me to do? Put it all in dog money. Dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money. I'm trading it in for dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money. I'm putting it all in dog money. My 401k is now a 401k9. The sum of my net worth ain't no longer in a straight line. I'm making smart moves, I ain't gonna be a pun. I sold my IRA and bought an NFT of one. All in on Doge, I dish them out like a Tommy gun. You think I was statehood the way I'm passing on Washington? I feel like Matt Gates, you know what I mean? Assuring everybody it's above 18. It's a modern day gold rush, the prices will boom. Like Reggie White versus the Oilers, I'm headed straight to the moon. My broker's calling, you know that it's on. Buy dog money, don't stop till it's dawn. 1 more airbase, 2 more museums, 3 more walls, 4 more Supremes, 5 more stadiums. We're all out of fiat. Can you take trillions of these and go and make a Xerox? We pay our debts in our currency that might be unfurled if it's no longer the reserve currency of the world. Confidence in the dollar is permanent. Just ask any scholar. People are exchanging their dollars for dog money. Dog money? Dog money. Dog money. We trading it in for dog money, dog